Welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to check if a specified character exists between the second and fourth positions in a string using JavaScript. Let's get started. Our goal is to check whether a character exists between the second and fourth positions of a string. We'll return true if it's found and false otherwise. Here's the code that checks for the character. We use a for loop to iterate through the characters, the second, third, and fourth positions of the string. If the character matches, we return true. The loop starts from index 1, which represents the second position, and goes to index 3, which is the fourth position. If the character is found in this range, we return true. In this example, the character y is found in the second position of the string Python, so the function returns true. Here the character c is not found between the second and fourth positions of console, so the function returns false. Here's the same code rewritten using ES6 array functions. The logic remains the same, but the syntax is more concise. To recap, we used a loop to check if a specified character exists between the second and fourth positions in a string. This is a simple and efficient way to perform such checks in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript coding tutorials.